जय हिंद साथियों। तो आज हम जानेंगे फाल्गुनी नायर के बारे में, द फाउंडर एंड CEO ऑफ नायका। Personal and early life of Falguni Nayar. She was born on February 19 in 1963 in a Gujarati family in Mumbai, Maharashtra. She is an Indian billionaire businesswoman who is the splendor of retail employers. Nykaa and the founder and CEO of Way of Life. Nair is one of the self-made billionaires in India. She completed her school education at New Era School. She is a graduate of Sidham College of Commerce and Economics and hold a post from the Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. She completed her post-commencement from IIM Ahmedabad. She married Sanjay Nair in 1987 in 12 months, whom she met at Commercial Enterprise School. Her husband Kohlberg is the CEO of Kravis Roberts India. She has two children, one is Advita Nair and the other is Anchit Nair. Falguni Nair started her professional career with Kotak. In 1993, Nair joined the Kotak Mahindra Group for 19 years. She worked as a mission investor and dealer at Kotak Mahindra Bank. In 2005, she appointed the group's venture saving cash enterprise as managing director. She worked at the Kotak Mahindra Financial Institute for about 20 years. Nair's entrepreneurial mindset. Strange but true that if one is bitten by the entrepreneurial bug at any juncture of their life, they each will remain till the first step is taken into that direction. We have many business haunches stand testimony to it. One of them is Nair. It is really hard for a person to quit their job at 50 and then think about starting a business from scratch. Well, it had been easy that there would not have been exemplary stories like Falguni Nair, who bid adieu to her well-established career and started a business. The Nykaa. Falguni Nair founded Nykaa in 2012, cosmetics, beauty and personal care industry. Nykaa is primarily an Indian-based holistic logo that specializes in multi-splendor and personal care goods. At first, it has been established as sole e-trade medium till later it started placing numerous stores in the many metropolitan towns across the nation. In 2012, she ended her activity and chose her to move to step further, believing that India needed an online platform and realized a hero. She launched an e-commerce platform called Nykaa to bring her to India. By 2021, Nykaa actually changed to a value of $2.3 billion and Nair's assets went up to an estimated $1.1 billion. One of the self-made girls from Nair too is Indian billionaire. Nykaa evaluated $13 billion on November 10, 2021, immediately after the declaration of the hero, richest Indian girl billionaire. Nykaa is one of the main players inside the beauty enterprise, which has a wide variety of beauty, style and well-being that every physical and virtual consumer meet. In addition, with the entry of men's and women's inner segments by launching NYKD and Glued, Nykaa is planning to get a larger scale call within the non-public care area. She was awarded the Womanhood Award at the Economic Times Startup 2017. Falguni was offered a Businesswoman of the Year at the Economic Times Award for Corporate Excellence in 2019. Falguni Nair is named EY Entrepreneur of the Year 2021, EY Entrepreneur of the Year India Awards 23 third versions. Falguni has an idea for every woman. She is killing stereotypes in her own way. She thinks that there is a desire to change the mindset of enterprise, network and society as a whole. Billionaire Falguni Nair has tweaked her call on the list of world's richest women marketers. She has become India's richest self-made lady billionaire. Figure organization FSN has become the primarily female-led unicorn to rival the e-commerce venture Inventory Exchange.